Good morning. Today we are explaining that the solutions which conduct electricity in different solutions. We have glucose, next is pure water, next is acetic acid and barium chloride, and sodium hydroxide and sodium chloride. Right? And we set up that we have we are connected with the light and one end is removed. So when we dip into the water, so let's see whether glucose, as we already know, it is a bad conductor of electricity, and let's see whether it will conduct electricity or not. So you can see there is no glowing of the light, right? And hence the glucose is called as a bad conductor of electricity. So when you take a distilled water, so even though in the distilled water also it will not conduct electricity, right? So that's why it is also a bad conductor of electricity. And even though glacial acetic acid also, which will not conduct electricity, and hence it is also a bad conductor of electricity, we can say. And see, this is a barium chloride. See, barium chloride is a good conductor of electricity. As this you can see the glowing level of the light, right? Hence it is called as a good conductor of electricity. And last one is what one more, that is sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is also a good conductor of electricity. Just see the comparison between barium chloride and sodium hydroxide. So sodium hydroxide, which will conduct more electricity than a barium chloride, right? And the last one is what, a salt. See, salt also which conduct the electricity, and the number of ions which depends the glowing level of that bulb. So you can see there's even sodium chloride also which conduct electricity, right? So by this experiment we can say that different solutions which conduct electricity, and we have a solid sodium chloride and meanwhile liquid sodium chloride. So you can see just in the solid which will not conduct electricity, but in the liquid, so you just put into the water, so which will conduct the electricity. By this experiment we will conclude that the solutions are the ions which will not conduct electricity in the solid state, but in the liquid state which will conduct the electricity. Now last, sodium chloride. Sodium chloride, see in this class there is no sodium chloride, it is just a pure water, as you can see. So there is no glowing of the light. And when I add a little amount of salt, you can see the glowing level of light. Slowly it start glowing. The more amount of salt you add, and the glowing level will be increases, right? As you can observe. So hence we can say that salt which conduct electricity. And so we have a solid also. When I dip into the solid state, it won't conduct the electricity, but when I dip into the liquid state or molten state, which will conduct the electricity. By this we can conclude that the ions which will be released in the liquid state than the solid state. Thank you.